Have you ever wondered who really makes money from the financial markets every single day? To people who profit from every rise and fall in stock prices? Today we're talking about the real players of the market, traders. A trader is someone who buys and sells financial instruments like stocks, currencies, commodities, or derivatives in financial markets. The goal to make a profit from short or medium-term price movements. Some traders work independently for their own accounts, while others are part of large financial institutions like investment banks, hedge funds, or asset management firms. Now let's clear up a common confusion. Traders are not the same as investors. Investors typically buy and hold assets for months or even years, focusing on long-term growth. Traders, on the other hand, look for short-term opportunities. They might buy and sell within the same day or over a few days, depending on their strategy. There are different types of traders in the financial world. Day traders open and close all their positions within a single trading day. Swing traders hold trades for several days or weeks, aiming to capture short to medium-term trends. Position traders take a longer view, sometimes holding positions for months, but they're still active market participants. Then there are scalpers, who seek to profit from very small price changes, sometimes holding positions for just seconds or minutes. Another important distinction is between institutional traders and retail traders. Institutional traders work for large entities like banks, hedge funds, and pension funds. They have access to advanced tools, massive capital, and dedicated research teams. Retail traders, in contrast, are individual investors, everyday people using online platforms to trade their own funds. So that's a quick look at who traders are, what they do, and how they differ from investors. If you're new to trading or planning to learn more, make sure to follow our channel. We break down complex financial topics into simple, actionable insights so you can make smarter decisions in the markets.